Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. In a ray of hope this evening, a budding 13-year-old music producer gets the surprise of his life. More in this report.
Trying to achieve what I can achieve in life. Like me, like traveling, go on this big tour, get collab with big producers like YG, Not Nice, Ramesh, and International.
This was Nassin Reed 3 weeks ago. Touched by his story, music producer Not Nice wanted to give him a head start.
Reach out to Ramesh and I say, yo, Ramesh had some equipment selling. I'm going to call him and say, yo, we need them equipment, you know. I'm sure him say, man, you look at you generated too, you know, so just purchase them from him, he donated some, and just make it happen.
He predicts Nassin will get far in the music industry because of his drive.
Yeah, I'm amused by what I have and where I make music from, and it look good dwelling when I make it in a little space in equipment, in pricing chart for in studio time mixing. You want to charge $4,000 for mix a month. I'm in the US. When you just remember me telling you, he might reach far, he might make it. Trust me. Me believe in him.
And despite being overseas, music producer Ramesh still reached out to give encouraging words.
Yeah, man, people can tell me anything that's easy enough link with, but just make sure, remember, I went to school to hear me. That is a must.
As for Nassin, he's in awe of the donation as it is just what he needs to master his craft.
They install with a keyboard, a drum pad, keyboard, mouse, and things me rhythm and know so I can start with rhythm. I get new headphone and everything that I need. I get. We have a feel, yes. Feel happy, feel more better, but words cannot explain how I feel. Just I feel. Just say it in a words, I mostly feel more comfortable now. Can look upon bigger screen, can hear more clear through the box them.
He says with the support of the producers, his family and friends, he believes in the next few years he can become one of the greatest producers in the music industry. And the 13-year-old is now on his way to making his dreams come true.
Mama, you even know my feel to see the whole world. I said, wait you, son, this come like a dream coming true. If I never miss the end, this no possible. Some say big up, permission, Not Nice. For me, I live a star life.
With your ray of hope, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.
Lovely.